What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. And once again, I'm back down the craft aisle because we have so many new items. We have these brand new roller cutters. The Crafter Square line is just coming out with so many new items. Last week, I picked up this glue and residue eraser. I figured it would be really good for removing labels and things off of bottles, glassware, Christmas gifts, all sorts of things. So you guys definitely check out your craft aisle because they're really committed to adding a lot more new items every week. We also have these regularly, the stretched canvases. Now last week they had these for the first time. This is the modeling clay and it looks like they've been a pretty good seller. But we also have brand new tear off pallets. It's just a little cardboard. These are like paper pallets. And then we have the reusable ones. 6 to a pack here. This is a nice deal. And this is great not only for pencils and brushes, but also for makeup brushes and other things. It does not spin around though, but it's really nice. And it also can double as a makeup drying rack, makeup brush drying rack. I feel like a lot of these are new. Just in time for Christmas and all the Christmas crafts. Cute. So many new pieces this week. I believe this one is new as well. This one. We have hearts, flowers. Last week I saw a lot of these, but this is the last one that I'm seeing in stock. We just have so many options here. Also the little DIY boxes, the little bird houses. We have a couple different crosses. These are cute. The little craft storage boxes. We have pink, red, blue, and white. No clear, but I like these colors a lot. If you guys missed my last video, towards the end of the video, I gave a cute little DIY idea with these paddle brushes. You could come over here and you could pick out some rub-on transfers or some stickers, and you could totally customize a brush and maybe stick it in the stocking for Christmas. We have even more up here, even more rub-on transfers. Or maybe you want to paint. We have flexible stencils. You could do something really cute. What about this idea with the flowers and the butterflies? That would be so cute. We have even more new stickers over here. Adventure awaits. This would be a pretty one. Well, more so the flowers in the middle. I want to show you guys some other items. Maybe you guys missed my live. And if you did, then you didn't see these. Aren't they cute? They're little trinket trays. And if you missed my live, you also didn't see these. The DIY monogram ornaments. We also have some brand new fall items. We have tea light holders, yellow glass pumpkins, white, and this multicolor brown and sort of a caramel with speckles, the green leaf. Those are all so cute. And we have these little glass candle holders. Yellow glass is not something we regularly see. And then also this week, the miniatures are back for the mini villages. During my live, you guys were telling me about the cute $+ little fake fireplaces. I don't have a $+ section in any of my stores, so I can't share that with you. I know some YouTubers have that section in their store, and they've been talking about how that item is gonna sell out pretty fast, and I believe it. Over here, you guys, we have some brand new polishes. This is the One Step Gel Polish. The brand is iGlow, which is also the same brand as the little mini polishes that used to come in the box. Do you guys remember those? Some months back, I was ranting and raving about those polishes because I really like them. These are brand new, color 1304. And the flower foundation is new, but you guys check the bottles carefully because some of these look a little bit old. I found a really good one, but some of them look too old. I don't think we have anything else new that I haven't shared before. The e.l.f. items are still here. You guys were telling me that you love the highlighter. We have Cloud, and then we also have Dew. Ooh, with the jelly highlighter. I think I'm gonna get this one. I haven't been wearing a lot of makeup during the pandemic because I'm always wearing my mask. But hey, when I'm back to wearing makeup again, I'm gonna be wearing a lot of highlighter because I am in love with highlighter. Oh, these are back. I wanna get one of these too. Actually, let me get two. Because to be honest, to buy a battery for one of these probably costs the same as buying a thermometer. And I think all of mine are dead. What else? Oh, these are back. The travel bottles. One's a spray, one's a squeeze. The 2-pack Icy, the 2-pack Airhead lip balms. These are also back. The little snack containers. Cute. Those are the Baby of Mine brand. So you guys might find them over here in the baby section. Well, you guys, that's the end of this video. I'm gonna start yet another video and show you new things like these hooded baby towels. Marie, if you're watching, these are super lightweight, super lightweight, but it almost feels like it's microfiber. So it might be perfect for your granddaughter. I love shopping with you guys. Definitely check out one of my playlists. I have a Dollar Tree playlist. I have a Family Dollar playlist. I have whatever you're looking for. If you guys want to binge watch while you cook or clean or fold laundry, I would love to keep you company. Anyways, you guys, that's it for me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.